Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys are going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and everyone for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So let's get right into it, guys. One of the amazing opportunities that I've been a part of since October of 2025. It has been just cranking, creating passive income on a daily basis, okay, Monday through Friday, on real assets, guys, real assets. Because let's face it, the old school traditional way of doing real estate, I'm not knocking down the old school, but things are shifting much faster on the blockchain through smart contract, okay? And this is where things are shifting to, and it will create multimillionaires and billionaires for years to come, okay? And this is in the early stages, guys, in the early stages where real estate tokenization is creating momentum right now, okay? There has been several properties has been sold out due to the infrastructure they put in place, the popularity that is being shared all over on social media, on the internet, and is impacting so many different lives, guys. All right, I was at their live event on January early this year, and I must say this, a game changer event, and I will be at the event coming up in the month of June in Washington, D.C. of their first anniversary, guys. And if you're not going, I will highly recommend to go to this event, okay? This is going to be a life-changing event. You're going to be able to interact with so many different people, all walks of life, all right? And it's gonna be amazing, all right? And today, guys, we did good today. E-Estate is performing very well in the real estate market, all right? And today we made a profit today of $20.70, which is awesome, all right? And my profit, all right, I'm at $2,748.26, okay? And it's just building, guys. It is moving so smoothly, and I can't complain. And on the villa property that I've invested it back in December of 2025, I've already made $2,208.64. The house property, which is officially sold out, I've made $384.67. The apartment property is sold out. I made $100.25. The Miami property, I made $54.70. All right, and the profits comes Monday through Friday. Now, keep in mind, there's two income phase model with this opportunity. What do I simply mean? So let's bring up an example, all right? I'm gonna pull up property, and also, guys, to get started with this opportunity, you can get started for as low as $10, but $10 is just to get your feet wet, and then you can move up, because $10 is not gonna make you rich. This is not a get rich quick scheme over here. This is a real opportunity that is sustainable for long term, okay? Now, for this, for instance, for this property here, apartments of Miami, all right, this is located in downtown Miami. The profit is between 0.32 to 0.52% per day, Monday through Friday. Now, if you invested $10, guys, you're only going to get 4 cents. All right. And that will give you 84 cents a month. Total profit is $15.12. Your break even point, guys, is at 9 months. So 9 months is your break even point. So those traditional ways of doing things in the real estate, sometimes break even can take for several years. It can take several years to reach a break even point in the traditional old school way, right? And then you have to deal with the scrutiny on what's happening in the real estate market. You got to deal with tenants. You got to deal with fixing things, toilets, termites, all this other stuff, right? Over here in e-estate, you don't have to deal with none of that. You don't have to worry about being a landlord, all right? You don't have to worry about sharing this to a single soul. And you're still making real passive income, okay? All the professionals, they have everything structured, everything together. They do all the heavy lifting, right? Your only duty is to invest into the property that you choose to, you want to invest. And then from there, within 24 hours, right? So for instance, if you invested on a Friday, your profits won't hit to your account on a Monday, all right? Depending on the time that you deposit your funding, you invest, all right? So if you start with, there's a property here, the Lake House. This is a very beautiful property. You can get started for as low as $250. That's the minimum investment you can get started with. This is a very beautiful property here. Okay. And I love the pictures too. All right. It's right by the lake. Look at this. Right by the lake, guys. Amazing, beautiful property here. Look at the kitchen. Right? You get to see this is not something that is only just pictures. This is a real hard asset property. All right? And then this is a lakefront house, nature, comfort, and premium rental demand. All right? Designed for both relaxation and productivity, the home features 5-bedroom and cozy fireplace and high-speed Wi-Fi internet, and then a dedicated workspace, which is awesome. All right? This averages around 0.37 to 0.54%. All right, Monday through Friday. Your break-even point is 10 months, and your total profit is $430.92 per day. Is $1.14 per day, $23.94 per month, which is awesome. I love it. Okay, and this is the villa property I have. I've invested $3,200. The projection is around $19.52, $409.92 per month. Now the total profit, guys, after that full 18 months phase is over, you'll make a total of $7,378.56. And your break-even point is 7 months. Now, you're probably asking, what happens after 18 months? Now, after the 18 months, now that is over, it goes to a second phase. So that second phase, you'll be getting 10% a year. 10% a year. All right. Once the first phase is over of the 18 months, it goes to that second phase of 10% per year, which is phenomenal. This beats your S&P 500. This beats your high yield savings account. This beats your retirement 401k account. Okay. And it's building momentum, guys. And you have an hard asset that you can will this down to your children's children. Building long-term generational wealth, which is phenomenal. Okay, big institutional folks are coming on board with this opportunity, and they understand the metrics. They understand how the seriousness of this opportunity. Now, if you're serious, if you're ready to get started, if you want to learn more on how real estate tokenization work and how it makes money and how you can start making real passive income, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. Now, as soon as you click the link right below this video, it's going to bring you to my main page. That main page, you're going to see entering your full name and email address. Do that. Once you click on the button, from that point on, it's going to tell you to verify your information and your email. Verify it, and then it's going to bring you to the secondary page. That secondary page, you're going to be able to watch the first overview video about e-estate. All right, watch the full video at least 2 to 3 times. Why I say 2 to 3 times? Because one time may not resonate. All right, it may just go over your head, but if you watch it 2 to 3 times, it's going to give you some clarity. It's going to give you some understanding on how e-estate works, how e-estate makes money, and how you can start making passive income and also make money when you're sharing with others as well. Okay, it's going to give you the whole spill. Just go through that. Once you go through that overview phase, you're going to say, man, how do I get started? Very good question. On how you can get started is going through all the videos. After you finish watching the overview video, all right, from that point on, you're going to watch all the remaining videos right below it. All right, I will highly recommend watch it at least 2 to 3 times as well on every single video on that page, and it's going to guide you step by step on how to fund your account using the exchange and to get you going to start making some real passive income. I appreciate you guys are watching this video to the very end. Don't forget to follow me, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I see you guys on the next video. Peace out.